In this video I am talking about this professional studio teleprompter auto cue from PrompterPeople and generally why you might need one and not even know it, and why this is the best you can get in my opinion. So let's not waste any more time, let's do it. These machines, contraptions are surely not for everyone. Some very lucky people can just talk without waffling, repeating themselves and with total sense without the script. I'm not one of these people for sure. I prefer to write things down first, prepare, rehearse and deliver the message like this one without stumbling, saying at all and without forgetting to say something important by using teleprompter like this one. Also, if you film people talking to the camera professionally regularly, you are going to find out that 9 out of 10 people prefer to have what they are going to say to the camera scripted and worry less about what they have to say. All they have to do is read it and concentrate more on how they say it, on performance than what to say. Now, when it comes to choosing teleprompter, there's a lot of options out there. Cheap and cheerful, non-branded ones from eBay or Amazon are okay. But you have to use your phone or a tablet and one of many flaky, very flaky apps. I have tried them all, and although they are usable, I have never found anything that is bulletproof and for everyone. When I use teleprompter myself, I can adjust, learn, get used to the scroll speed being too slow or too fast, but it is very hard to get good results from someone who is not only nervous about being on camera, but also struggling to read when the speed they are reading at is different to their natural speaking tempo. So when you want to step up your game and have a teleprompter which is rock solid, easy to use, this is one of very few options available out there. PrompterPeople specialize in professional studio teleprompters that not only work as they should, but are also designed by people who actually use them, so they do not have niggles or annoyances like wrong scrolling speeds or lack of right scrolling speeds. So what's different about this, and what do you get for a pretty high price? These teleprompters come in kits and are modular, and apart from the main bit, the mirror, you can add the accessories that you actually need and will be using in your workflow and your setup. This version comes in a really nice soft case. I have been transporting teleprompters for years in plastic storage boxes, and I can tell you, you need a solid case that is right size for your teleprompter, and this one comes in one. Smaller versions and kits might not come with this bag, the case, but you can purchase it separately if you need it. I have the Prompter Pal Pro kit here with 12-inch SDI and HDMI auto-reversing monitor. This monitor is made for this, and it makes such a big difference when comparing it to using iPads, tablets and smartphones I used before. This monitor needs to be mains powered, and you need to connect your computer with the teleprompter software to it. Yes, that makes it less portable and not really usable outside for a reason. This is a studio teleprompter to be used indoors. But this gives you so much more control though. The monitor supports all your major connection methods, old school VGA, SDI and HDMI. You also have full monitor control via the supplied remote controller. It's not high-end monitor display, but it is more than sufficient for its sole purpose, to display text. The main feature is that this screen's display by default is flipped, so whatever is displayed on it shows correctly in the teleprompter's mirror. This allows you to monitor the scrolling script, edit and use the computer or the laptop as normal. The software on the computer doesn't need to reverse the display, mirror the display for it to show correctly on the teleprompter. This monitor, this display does it for you. There's few software options from PrompterPeople available. All can be tried for free before you pay for the full license. I settled for brilliant FlipQ Pro. Very simple and very intuitive to use. You can write your script directly in it or simply copy and paste from Word or whatever you like typing your text in. But bear in mind that you do have to pay extra for the software, for the license. The software is simple to set up: font size, text color, background color and scrolling speed. Also that easy to jump in and correct the text mid-recording if needed. You can also buy additional wired and wireless controllers for the software. I have this superb USB shuttle Q light here. With this little device, you can control the speed and slow down the scrolling while recording to match the talent's reading speed, and even reverse the text when you record yourself without getting up or even moving away from your spot. Very handy and very time-saving little device. There is few different options for attaching your cameras to the actual prompter too. This will hugely depend on the size of your camera. Of course, the simplest way is the supplied long back sled. You can attach the camera directly to it or attach the tripod head to it and then attach the camera to it. This allows you to move the camera forward and back to get it in the optimal place and easily attach it or to take it off from it. My favorite, and the one that I actually use here, is this riser bracket and low boy, which attaches to the long back sled. This suits my Sony cameras in the cage. I attach the camera to the riser via the quick release plate from Zipon, making it a snap, literally to attach to it like this. There's also an attachment to attach your camera in a rig with a 50mm rails directly to it without dismantling your rig first. So this goes on the back of the auto cue, and your camera on a rig just attaches to the back of it. It will be dependent on the size of your rig and where the camera actually ends up behind the mirror, and if it's too high you might need to, like I had to buy or get additional camera hood with the lens hole higher than the standard one supplied with the teleprompter, so the whole thing can be replaced. Also, talking about this hood, it has got a hard material put underneath there, so the fabric doesn't go in front of the lens. Other options available are the freestanding adapter. This allows you to mount the teleprompter onto the tripod or a heavy-duty stand on its own and put the camera behind it on its own tripod. With the camera mounted on it and with an auto-reversing monitor like this one, the whole thing is a little bit weighty and it will need sturdy tripod with a longer video head like this to support it well. And if this is not for you, the auto-reversing monitor and connecting the computer to it, there's an optional iPad tablet holder called the Tab Grabber, which allows you to still use your tablet and use the whole thing outside if you need to. Conclusion, I can't say that this kit, this Prompter Pal Pro, is exactly what you need. It works for me. I'd recommend talking to very nice people at PrompterPeople first and ask for advice. Which prompter and accessories are right for your camera and your rig and your workflow. Depending on what you exactly need, the price can vary from $400 to over $1,000. You have options for 10-inch and 12-inch mirrors and screens, kits containing the monitor and the tablet holder and more. It might be a bit confusing at first, but you are getting a proper professional and built to last kit that can't be in any way compared directly to $25 Chinese teleprompters from Amazon. Not the same. This is different league. I rely on teleprompters to make my YouTube videos with, but also 9 out of 10 people I film talking to the camera commercially. I recommend it to and give them 5 to 10 minutes training to get the best out of it and for them to be able to deliver stress-free and quality piece to the camera, even if it is their first time and they absolutely hate being in front of the camera. I really recommend this, and PrompterPeople, their prompters really stand out from the rest out there. Great product from the company specializing in just teleprompters. And this is it from me. I hope this video was in some way informative or at least entertaining. If it was, please give me the thumbs up, follow me on Instagram and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. These machines, contraptions, and surely not for everyone. This monitor needs to be mains powered, and you need to connect this monitor. My favorite and the one that I actually use here is this riser bracket and low boy attaches to the long.